In this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your Windows cache and delete junk files to improve your PC performance. Let's dive in and check it out.
First up, let's clear Microsoft Store cache. Open the search bar and type ws-reset.exe. Right-click the application and run as administrator. After clearing the cache, the Microsoft Store windows will open. WS-Reset is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Microsoft Store cache. It doesn't change the account settings or delete installed apps. Next, let's clear your DNS cache. Open the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and run as administrator. Then, type the following command. Hit Enter. A successfully flushed DNS resolver cache message appears. DNS, Domain Name System, resolves domain names into IP addresses. Clearing the DNS cache forces your computer to fetch updated DNS data, restoring proper connection. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC and open your C drive. Double-click to open the Windows folder. Scroll down to Software Distributions folder. Double-click to open Download. Right-click to select all in here and press Delete. Then go to Recycle Bin and empty Recycle Bin. Cleaning the software distribution folder can help resolve update errors and improve system performance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide useful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for more awesome tutorials like this.